The Louvre Museum, Paris.
The Louvre Museum in Paris is a prime example of how modern architecture can enhance the beauty of historical structures. Originally built as a fortress in the late 12th century, the Louvre has undergone numerous transformations, eventually becoming the world-renowned museum it is today. The most striking modern addition is the glass pyramid designed by architect I.M. Pei, which was unveiled in 1989. The glass pyramid, though controversial at first, now serves as an iconic entrance to the museum, contrasting beautifully with the classical architecture surrounding it. The transparent structure not only floods the underground lobby with natural light, but also symbolizes the Louvre's ability to adapt and evolve while preserving its rich history. The juxtaposition of the old and new invites visitors to reflect on the continuum of art and history housed within its walls. Inside, the museum has been meticulously updated to meet the needs of modern-day visitors while maintaining its historic charm. The interior renovations include state-of-the-art lighting and climate control systems that ensure the preservation of priceless artworks. The Louvre's transformation is a testament to how historical buildings can embrace modernity without losing their essence, making it a must-visit for art and architecture enthusiasts alike.